Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make pumpkin biscotti. Cream the butter with the 2 sugars and mix until creamy. Add all the dry ingredients to the flour. Whisk everything together. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture. Start mixing the dough and add the pumpkin puree. Mix until the dough comes together. When everything is combined, add the almonds. Mix again and form 2 logs. Bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Slice the biscotti and place them in the baking pan. Bake again at 325 for 10 minutes or until dry. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.